In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the touchpad. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Disconnect the battery. And the CMOS battery. Now take out all the 4 screws that hold the battery in place. You can lift up the battery. Remove the 3 screws from the touchpad. Disconnect the FFC cable. Take out the other 2 screws. Put your nails behind the gaps and push with your thumbs the metal bars down so that you can lift up the touchpad. To install the new touchpad, it is easier if we carefully unfold the laptop. This allows us to access it more easily. When the touchpad is back in place, we put the metal bar back. Put back the 5 screws. Reconnect the FFC cable. Place the battery back. Do the same with the screws. Reconnect the battery. And of course the CMOS also. Place back the bottom case. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.